It is a very cheap vinyl cutter, and yet it is the most underrated machine of 2024. And yes, we are talking about Silhouette Cameo 4, which is a sticker making machine that can help you make really good money if you know what type of market you choose. However, it has its pros and cons just like any other machine, and today we're going to talk about that because there is a mass difference between having a Cameo 4 and having a printer or any other bigger vinyl cutter. But of course, for the price that it costs today in 2024, it is really worth it. And we're going to tell you why we talk so much about the Cameo 4. So stick around and make sure you give us a like if you like this video and subscribe for more amazing content. So before we tell you what this amazing machine can do, as of today of 2024, it barely costs $200. But of course, that is just the price for the machine. You will need other tools and equipment. Now, when it comes to making projects with Silhouette Cameo 4, the #1 product that we love to make is vinyl signs. And let me tell you a story. We were starting to make some vinyl signs for restaurants, and somebody contacted us that they needed a small door sign for their restaurant. So we decided to make those signs with our Silhouette Cameo 4 as you are watching here. Now you might be wondering why we did not use the bigger machine. Well, the reason is because we wanted to show you the potential that you can make vinyl signs with your Silhouette Cameo 4. Of course, we know that you may have some challenges, but it is still possible. The full episode in our channel. Now, here's one of the cons. Let's say that you have the opportunity to work on a decal project for a van. And let's say that you have to make this. Of course, you're not going to be able to make this project with your Silhouette Cameo 4, but you can still make a project like this one. So it is still possible that you can make decal projects for cars. You just depend on how big the decal is going to be. However, you can make a plan. You can save money and later on get a bigger machine like the Cameo Pro or the Graphic CE 6060. Or if you want to get a bigger one, it'll be much better. Now, if you just want to start a t-shirt business from home, then you can definitely use the Cameo 4 for that purpose. And one of the great things about the Silhouette Cameo 4 is that the software is completely free. Of course, if you want to use other tools, you can always upgrade to the premium account. Other great items that you can make from home with your Silhouette Cameo 4 is car magnets, yard signs, and even small vinyl banners. You can watch the episode of all the items that you can make with Silhouette Cameo 4 in our channel. Just type in everything you can make with Cameo 4 by RDI. If you decide to get the Silhouette Cameo 4, one of the great items that you can get is the application rollers that will help you align your vinyl with your Silhouette Cameo 4, especially when you are making big cuts like this one. You can also use it for its main purpose, which is to apply your own transfer. The link below on the comment or on the description of this video. Now let's talk about all the items that you will need for you if you decide to make vinyl decals. And the type of vinyl that we use is Oracle 651, which it can last between 3 to 5 years outdoor or indoor. This type of vinyl, it is not only good, but it is very popular because it is very affordable and you can get it in many colors. Now, the type of transfer that we prefer to use is the R-Tape Clear Choice AT65 and AT75. The AT65, it's a low tack transfer, and the AT75 is a high tack transfer. Now, we use one or the other depending on the scenario. For example, if you were gonna deal with a soft or delicate surface, we prefer to use a low tack like the AT65. If we're gonna work on a regular surface or on hot weather, we prefer to use the AT75. However, always be careful when removing your transfer. Another favorite tool is using the cutting knife when cutting through the paper, and we use this tool to avoid leaving too much paper residue, since paper residue can be bad for stickers and it might make them fall off. So make sure you use a cutting knife instead of the regular scissors. Another favorite tool that we love to use is the rapid tag, and we use this wet solution when layering colors on top of each other or when we gotta clean the surface. However, you can make your own rapid tag at home using a bottle of 90% water, 10% rubbing alcohol, and a few drops of soap. And our last favorite tool is the reposition magnets. Now we use this tool when we want to avoid using too much tape. However, sometimes you cannot help but have to use the tape, especially if you're gonna work on surfaces that is not suitable for this type of magnets, or when you are applying on glass. You have to know when to use the blue tape and the white tape. The blue tape is a low tack tape and the white one is a high tack tape, so make sure you keep that in mind. Other tools will be needed for decal business, like the adhesive remover, goof off, weeders, squeegees, and many other things. Make sure you check out the links below or in the description or on the first comment. Now, if you're only gonna make t-shirts with your Silhouette Cameo 4, the type of vinyl that we use, or HTV, is the Scissor Easy Weed or the Scissor Glitter, depending on what type of project you're working on. And you're gonna need a big enough heat press that it's at least 15 by 15. Make sure you get one that's big enough, because we have seen this problem before from people complaining that they got a cheap one because it was very small, but in the end they had to return it. So keep that in mind. Another tool that we use for our business and that we think it's very necessary is our calculators for pricing our product. So if you want to price t-shirts, decals, and stickers, you can use the calculators by joining on the Gold membership, and you can do so by clicking on the join button below on this video and get the Gold membership. Now, if you just want to price and learn how to price t-shirts, you can do so by joining on the Silver membership. All the memberships are below. You can get the one that's more suitable for you, and it'll be a great way to support our content. We really appreciate it. Well, this is it for this video. If you are new to our channel, we invite you to subscribe and hit the like on this video, and also check out other Silhouette Cameo 4 content. So if you want to start a small sticker business and don't want to spend crazy money, the Silhouette Cameo 4 is definitely for you. We really appreciate if you give us a like and subscribe. We'll see you guys again on the next episode. Thank you.